If you want to create a WebWork Workspace, the first thing you should do is sign up. To do that, you should go to our website and click Sign Up. From here, you can go ahead and fill out the information. Once you're done, you can go ahead and press Sign Up. From here, you'll need to fill out some information. So for example, what industry you work in and what is your primary role. After that, you should choose how many people will be working with you, as well as your phone number. Next, you should choose the name of your workspace, the time zone, as well as if your team works remote, hybrid, or office-based. Then you should choose what type of tracker you want to use. So for example, visible, silent, or visible and silent. I'll go ahead and choose visible. And after that, you should choose how you want your members to track the time in your workspace. So I'll just choose desktop application and click next. Next, you should choose how you want to handle your payments and payrolls. I'll just go ahead and choose I'll manage them myself. And lastly, here you can invite members using a link, invite them directly through the website, or using integration. Finally, you can go ahead and attach your credit card. Now, once you've created your workspace, the first thing you should do is start inviting members. To do that, you should go down to People, then Members, and then here in the top right section, you can go ahead and press Invite. Firstly, here we have by email, so you can go ahead and write the email, team, project, and then press Invite. Next, we have bulk invite, so you can fill out a file, upload it, and invite those members. Here you can find the template. After that, we have copy link. This way you can copy this link and send it to your members. This way they can automatically join the workspace. And lastly, we have by integration. Using these integrations, you can import members. Once you've invited the members, you need to create projects so they can track time on. To do that, you should go down to Projects, then Projects, and then from here I can go ahead and press Create Project. From here I can name the project, choose if it's buildable or not, set a start and end date, a time estimate, a budget estimate, and any project notes. Then in the Members section, you can select what members will be assigned to this project. So for example, I'll choose myself, who will be the project manager, project viewer, customers, and so on. Who will be the project manager, project viewer, and customers. And lastly, we have properties. From here, you can set the weekly limit per member, hourly rate, and screenshot mode. Once you're done, you can go ahead and press Create Project. And as you can see, I've successfully created the project. Now, once your members accept the invitation and start tracking time on the project they're assigned to, you can view that data. To do that, you should go to Reports, and here in the Reports section, you'll be able to find all the information about the tracked time. You'll be able to find data such as tracked hours, timeline, activity level, apps and websites, and so on. Now, if you want to adjust what features are available in the workspace, you can do that by going to the Settings, then go down to Features, and then from here you can select what settings will be available in your workspace. So for example, if I do not want screenshots in my workspace, I can go ahead and disable it and press Save Changes. And as you can see, I do not have screenshots here. There are a lot of different settings that you can customize to your liking. Once you're done customizing your workspace, your members are ready to track time.